Activating an iPhone without a SIM card can be tricky, since Apple normally requires cellular or Wi-Fi setup. But there are a few reliable ways to bypass this. In this video, I'll show you simple methods to activate your iPhone without a SIM card and get it up and running fast. Part 1. Is a SIM card needed to activate an iPhone? Before iOS 12, a SIM was needed to activate an iPhone. With iOS 12 Plus, Wi-Fi can work, but older versions and carrier-locked phones still need the carrier's SIM. Next, here's how to activate without a SIM. Part 2. How to activate iPhone without SIM card. Method 1. Dismiss the No SIM card pop-up. Power on iPhone. Swipe right. Set up manually. Pick language, country, and connect Wi-Fi. Tap Continue. Set Touch ID or skip. On apps and data, set up new or restore backup. Enter Apple ID. Password. Agree. Method 2. Activate iPhone by iTunes. Open latest iTunes and connect iPhone via USB. Ensure internet is on and wait for detection. Choose Setup as new iPhone. Continue. Follow prompts or contact Apple or carrier if needed. Method 3. Activate iPhone using eSIM. Go to Settings Cellular at eSIM. Tap Use QR code and scan your carrier's code. Follow prompts to complete eSIM activation. Method 4. Activate iPhone using our SIM X SIM. Insert our SIM X SIM into iPhone. Select and confirm your carrier. Hold power to restart. iPhone will search for the carrier and activate. Method 5. Activate iPhone using emergency call. Turn on iPhone. At no SIM screen, tap emergency call. Dial 112 or 999, then quickly press power to cancel. Cancel any prompts and end the call. Method 6. Activate an old iPhone by jailbreaking. Jailbreaking removes Apple's restrictions, letting you modify settings and use apps freely. Only consider it if other methods fail, as it's complex, time-consuming, and voids warranty. On older iPhones, it can help bypass SIM activation. Method 7. Bypass iPhone activation lock without a SIM card. If a used iPhone or forgotten iCloud blocks activation, a tool like iOS Unlock can remove the activation lock without a SIM. How to remove iPhone activation lock without a SIM card using iOS Unlock. Step 1. Launch iOS Unlock after you download it. Then select Unlock from multiple modules on the screen. Step 2. From the upcoming screen, select Unlock Apple ID. Step 3. Choose Remove Active Lock. Step 4. Follow the jailbreak guide to jailbreak your iPhone or iPad. Step 5. After that, a warning message should appear. Tick the checkbox to agree with the terms and tap Next. Step 6. Confirm your iPhone info and tap Start Unlock. Step 7. This program will remove both the Apple ID and the iCloud activation lock. Just wait for the task to complete.